He pointed at me, the recording's there, tow the truck. Tow the truck!
If you were to ask me to list the top 5 most avoidable reason that people end up going to jail, road rage is definitely gonna be in that list. If you add a meth pipe, a pulled gun, and narcotics inside of the car, you know you got a really interesting story. This is one of those.
Okay, keep your hands where I can see them, okay?
He's the one that pointed at me. You're
Okay.
gonna let him get away?
Can you get on your knees, please? Keep your hands where I can see them, okay?
Yep. Is there anyone else in the car? No. I told the 911.
We're just gonna place you in the handcuffs right now, okay?
He pointed a gun at me when I was coming around the corner. I called 911. Why am I in cuffs?
We're just making sure everything's safe. We don't know what's going on. We're trying to figure out what's going on. You want to stand up for me, please?
So these are really difficult to figure out, especially because a lot of times the people are on the phone with dispatch. So you have multiple officers going to multiple locations trying to figure out who's who may have been pointing the gun, and what person is likely at fault. That's what's happening right now.
We're just gonna go in front of the squad here.
Why am I in trouble?
We're trying to figure out what's going on.
No, how the...
What's your
called
first
you
name,
guys. Come in.
What is it?
Kevin.
Kevin, nice to meet you. I'm Steve.
I called you guys.
Okay, we're going to check you, make sure that you don't have anything that's going to hurt me.
Yeah, why would I?
Do you carry any pocket knives for work or anything
No.
like that? Okay.
I got a gun pointed at me. I'm under arrest.
You got a gun pointed at you?
Really? That's why I called the cops.
Okay.
Oh, this is how it's going to go, huh?
Until I figure out that everybody is safe, I can't get into the whole what happened.
Why do you think I was chasing him? Because my phone's still going with the 911 dispatcher. I said, hey.
Feels like he's got a meth pipe in his right pants pocket.
Yeah, I probably got meth.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah, no. Yeah, it's in the 5th pocket.
Okay.
Okay, this is interesting. The officer said it feels like he has a meth pipe in his pocket. In this situation, a pat down is definitely appropriate to see if there are weapons on the subject. If during the pat down you feel something, and through your training and experience, something you know to be contraband, the officer may go inside and retrieve that item. So this is how that plain field doctrine works in practice. Can't manipulate the pocket. It has to be something that happens pretty bang bang.
I'm not going to
Hang
fight
tight and I'll
I'm not
figure
going to
things
fight you
out.
guys.
This is Kevin. Kevin, that's his name. He's a good guy.
I'm not going to fight you guys. I got a gun pointed at me. Yep. What did I do wrong by getting a gun pointed at me?
We're just trying to figure it out, but you wouldn't stop for us right away.
Because I was chasing him.
Right, but you can't be chasing people no matter what.
But he's going to get away pointing a gun at me? I have no gun.
We're out with them. There's other officers over there with them.
Okay, but is it your deputy or something? You can't point something at somebody like that after they try to ram your vehicle for not going fast enough. You guys don't have permission, so don't even think about it. Do the right thing, and this is what I get, huh?
We're just trying to figure out the situation right now, Kevin.
Okay. Well, we take a breather?
Yeah, take a deep breath. Everything's fine.
In spite of finding the meth pipe on him, I'm getting some indicators that he may be under the influence of alcohol. The swayed, unsteady gait, the swayed, and a little bit of slurring in the speech as well, because those are not indicators of meth. In fact, meth usage is the exact opposite. So watch a little bit more.
All right, so I'm trying to gather both sides of the story. You're obviously in handcuffs. You're not free to leave at this point. What I still want to do, though, is gather your information, your side of things.
Why am I not free to leave at this point?
Because you got a meth pipe on you, and they did a high-risk traffic stop based on some information that they had from the initial.
But I was the one on hold with 911, so that pipe is void right now. Because it shouldn't have been found because I was the one that called. With my life in danger, with somebody pointing a pistol at me, correct?
I don't know, I wasn't in the car.
But am I correct? Was my life in danger with somebody pointing a pistol at me?
Kevin, you're asking me questions that are rhetorical.
No, it's not rhetorical.
Before we get into this.
That's why I called 911,
Yep.
correct? So the dispatcher said, what's the vehicle's license plate? I said it. I said, I'm not letting them go.
Okay, before you get into all this, I would like to read you...
Okay, that's what I was getting to. Good.
Well,
Put him in the car.
I want you in the car, please. Just for now, we can take you in a second. Just can you please sit in the car for me? That's all I'm asking.
Are you going first?
Okay, you can take a seat like that. Just take a seat like that.
You said he pointed the gun at you?
Yes. He pointed. Oh, you think I called 911?
How'd you know it was a gun?
Because he had it in his hand. If I could show you, put your hand up. Now put the bottom 3 fingers down, like that. Now put it sideways. That's how he's holding his gun. It was a Glock. What was it? 9. Serious.
Okay.
I want to figure out more. Because if we're going to do a charge, I want to make sure that...
Well, who had the him or did you say?
He's claiming he had a gun pointed at him, so that's what I have to figure out.
911, I called them for a reason.
But when we pull you over like that...
And he gets away?
I know you were pointing.
I
know you were pointing.
Record?
Essentially what this guy is saying is that one of the off-duty officers, not an officer that's there, in a road rage situation pointed a gun at him. And police take those situations very, very seriously. I can guarantee you there was an internal investigation to make sure that the officer acted in the right. There are collateral investigations going on to figure out what's going on here, especially when they're right in what appears to be a police station or a city hall type area and they see a guy come in and there's a felony car stop.
I think if this guy's following Manahano through traffic and like blocks him into traffic or something, Manahano pulls his guns, it's like police officer back up, get on the ground or something, and then this guy freaks out. You just pulled the gun on me, blah, blah, blah. And then this guy calls 911. I guarantee the gun we're looking for is Mandahano's, because Mandahano felt a reasonable fear for his safety.
Give me a phone call. I want my lawyer right now. Before you guys even touch that vehicle, I want my lawyer right now. You know I'm right. I want a lawyer.
All right, I'm done talking with you, Kevin.
Just so you know, I will subpoena the 911 dispatcher saying I called in. You guys arrested me for a gun being pointed at me. Okay. Just so you know.
Cool. Put your leg back there.
That's fine. Just so you guys know.
I kind of do smell booze on his breath, actually.
I will subpoena every one of you and all your body cams in and everything. Okay. I'll take the fight charge.
Okay.
I was in the wrong.
That's what we're figuring out right now.
I got a little worked up. I've been drinking too. So
okay.
There was no reason for him to. Was that a stoplight?
All right, I hear you. You're crystal clear, Kevin.
Take the pipe charge though.
Okay. So you hear the guy admit that he's drinking, but he has got the pipe in his pocket. So a lot of times, people who use amphetamine sometimes drink booze to come down off that amped up high. So it's not uncommon to see a person do that. That also would make sense as to why he would call the police while holding a meth pipe and drinking. We're going to see how this unfolds. It's getting more interesting as this plays out.
What am I under arrest for?
Well, apparently you admitted to having a meth pipe on you.
That's a misdemeanor.
We're talking to the other party involved right now to figure out where we're going from here. Okay?
He pointed a gun.
I'm not saying I don't believe you. We're talking to that party. Okay?
I don't have a gun. Do I have a gun?
Not on you. No, you don't.
There was a lot of confusion about, there was mention of a gun. As a police officer arriving on scene with dozens of other police officers, none of us knew who involved had a gun. Could have been the other person, could have been you, could have been the off-duty police officer. I don't know.
Operator. So it's an off-duty police officer, huh?
I don't know.
That's what the problem is.
We don't know who else had a gun.
You just told me what it was.
No, I'm giving you possibilities on what
No, you didn't give me a possibility. You told me what it was. Let's do it.
One of the possibilities was that you had a gun.
Tow the truck. Let's do it. Tow the truck.
We can do that, yes.
Let's do it. Let's go.
Kevin.
You just admitted that it was an off-duty police officer. Tow the truck. Let's go to court. He pointed a gun at me. The recording is there. Tow the truck. Tow the truck.
Okay, I'm done explaining it to you.
I don't want to hear it anymore. Okay. I want a lawyer. Tow the truck.
You want the window down because of your claustrophobia, though?
No, you can suck my now.
Good boy. A-firm?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
It looked like canine hit on the outer walk around of the vehicle. They can definitely search the car now.
You know you guys are wasting your time, right? I'll tell you right where the weed is. Officer! Hey, officer!
Here's the weed. He was being honest about the weed.
Hey, where's my lawyer?
Kevin.
Lawyer.
I don't know.
He's supposed to be here present when you search that vehicle.
So the reason that they're searching the vehicle
Because
is...
the dog hit on some bullshit.
So Steve Hughes... Do you want to hear my explanation?
No, because it's bullshit. There's no drugs in there except some pot.
Do you want to talk about this? Did you get out of your car over here?
Yeah. Did he pull a gun on me?
Tell me what happened.
Did he pull a gun on me?
I didn't Mirandize you, so none of this counts. I recognize that.
You guys are doing illegal.
You're just sitting here yammering back and forth.
Ask for a lawyer when...
Right.
Yeah, I'll get out. Let's talk. Let's talk.
Well, no, you asked for a lawyer. I can't talk to you about
You
any of
just
that.
asked me if I want to talk.
So this is getting interesting because you're starting to see the guy get more and more amped up from the initial part of the stop. I don't know this for sure, but with all of that stuff on board in his body, a lot of times you'll see their behavior will start to increase and become more erratic and aggressive.
You know I have a lot of money, right? Got a ton of money.
That's awesome.
My lawyer is going to tear your ass apart. You're probably not going to ever be on the force again, just so you know. And if you doubt me, wait till tomorrow.
Sounds good.
All right, Kevin, you're going to cooperate if I take you out of handcuffs and everything? Okay, perfect.
Have you guys searched my record yet?
Nope.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, a couple quick questions. Do you have any problems with your eyes at all?
Yeah.
What's wrong with them?
I'm drunk.
Do you wear glasses at all, though?
Supposed to.
Okay, prescription? But you don't have any?
None of this matters, really. Can we
Okay.
skip all this and hammer?
Well, I got to run you through fields quick, okay?
No, because I'm going to pass him. Then you guys are going to sit here and have to argue for another half hour about what you should do with me. I'm drunk. Let's skip the field, Sobriety. Give me the drunk driving, whatever. I don't care.
Can you see my finger okay from where I'm holding in front of your face?
Yep.
What I want you to do is follow. Tip my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, try to follow them, okay?
I am following it.
Best you can. Don't jump ahead, okay?
Just do a new field sobriety test then. It's the same one every time.
This is standard. That's why it's the same thing every
I
time.
know, but I'm not going to pass it.
Okay. All right, just follow. Tip my finger, okay?
So if I say no, I'm drunk, I still have to follow that motherfucker?
Yeah.
Can't you do the pen or something that's more in? pen for stings.
I don't use pens. I just use my finger. Okay.
That's what she said. What are you gonna do if I just sit here and stare at you like this?
Well, I just want you to cooperate. That's what I
I'm
want.
cooperating, but I'm telling you I'm drunk.
So it doesn't work like that. You can't just say I'm drunk. They need evidentiary tests in order to book you for the charge. And I'm going to explain to you what this eye test is. It's called HGN, or horizontal gaze nystagmus, and you're scored out of 6 points. They're looking for how far when your eyes, is there an involuntary jerking of your eyes as you follow the tip of a finger or a pen? And sometimes the nystagmus can occur from a medical condition, and those questions are asked. Medical people chime in on what medical conditions a person can have a nystagmus for.
All right, can you grab the straw off the end there?
Yeah, what is it? It's gotta be in the twos.
165.
Oh,
Not too high. All right. Place your hands behind your back then.
Yep.
Thank you. Under arrest, obviously.
For drinking and driving.
Yeah.
Nice try. You guys didn't think I knew this was coming? Where's the guy that was pointing the gun at me? That I was on the phone with 911 at? Where's he at? Did he drive his car here? Is he in cuffs?
Why is he in cuffs?
Why?
Because he wasn't drunk.
What?
He
has a gun.
Yeah, because he's a cop.
Thank you. That's all I need to know. Let's go.
There you go.
Let's go.
Okay. Either way, you can't drive a car intoxicated, brother.
Either way, like I called 911, so why would you guys know what's his tox level?
I'm not sure. I don't even know what
You guys didn't even talk? Did you order tox level?
Nope.
No tox screen on your deputy? You guys are dumb motherfuckers.
You don't need talk screen on him.
Why?
Because officers are justified in pointing guns at people.
He was off duty, piece of shit.
He's still a police officer.
So what was his justification? I want copies of that camera light too. There was cameras on that light too. You guys are all take me to jail right now.
Just leave him real.
What was I arrested for?
Right now, disorderly conduct, OWI. So operating.
Where's the OWI charge?
It's on the paper right here.
We see the officers tell him that he was arrested for disorderly conduct, operating while intoxicated. We saw them find what was believed to be marijuana THC inside the vehicle, and we clearly saw and learned through the plain field doctrine the pipe that was inside his pocket. This guy's gonna see this video of his behavior while he's inside the car, using the slurs, talking to the police officers that way, and behaving in this manner. This is a cautionary tale for anyone who is going through a substance abuse type of situation, because this is often the behavior that we see. And one thing when it comes to road rage, never get out of your car. So if you know someone who's gonna act like this, share the video with them, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and there's gonna be a video on your screen. Click on that video so you can hear content just like this.